what's going on YouTube? We are back in the car on the way to WTF Motorsports. Again, I got a big smile on my face. I got the mid pipe all tucked away in the F80 somehow. The box barely fit, but we made it happen. But yeah, I'm on the way there now to get it installed. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this a two-part video. I already have a lot of footage, so I might split this up. But stay tuned, we are on the way there now. So we're on the 408 right now, headed to WTF. It's only like 10 minutes away from my house. But funny story about this highway is people always fly on this road, and the speed limit's only like 55 miles an hour. So last night I was on the way home from dog training, and I passed this kitted out M6 that had like a super nice satin red wrap on it. Me and him were just chilling, cruising, and then out of nowhere, this N55 F30 335 pulls up next to us. And you already know what he wanted to do. He wanted to run it right away. You didn't have to say anything. You just knew right away what he wanted to do. So we we lined it up right here, actually, on this bridge. And then from here on the way home, we just did a couple pulls, lined it up. But you already know, one stock gang F80 took it home. The M6 is pretty freaking fast, though, I'm not gonna lie. And the 335 definitely had to be full bolt on, because so even though he got the hit, I mean, the thing still had power. But when these when the twin turbos kicked in, you already know we took off. And with the new tires, I had full confidence in my car. It felt so good to, you know, just have that peace of mind. The car felt great, super fast. Definitely had some good friendly runs. So shout out to those two if they ever stumble upon one of my videos. Good runs, good friendly runs for sure, representing the Beamer boys. But yeah, we're on the way to WTF now. We're almost there, passing downtown right now. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. All right, we just pulled up to WTF, and Curtis told me to pull the F80 in already. So here we go. What's going on, man? Good for having me. You too. I'm gonna change my shirt. No, you're good. You're good. There's Curtis just pulled in. We got Francis helping us out today with the install. Raymond usually works on our cars, but he's at work right now. But yo, let's go. Fucking install day, boys. Let's go. You guys know WTF always has the cleanest project cars in here. They're working on this E30 here right now. Sounded super mean. Got the Supra. Got a couple cars out back. But you already know why we're here. Let's get it. Yeah.
All right. So does it show where to cut? Because I think it's right in front of this.
Ray said that he cut 1.5. Yeah, that's great. So we have a little bit. So according to Raymond and my boy Jonathan, you're supposed to cut 1.5 inches away from the weld on the muffler, which is what he's doing now. That way you have room to clamp the non-resonated sections to the axle bag, factory axle bag. Mid pipe is off. What's going on, guys? Checking in with you again. Sorry I haven't been talking much. I've been working as well, but shout out to them. They got the OEM mid pipe off and now they're cranking on the equal length mid pipe, as you guys can see from the footage. I'll get you guys some more behind the scenes, but dude, I can't wait. Can't wait. It looks so good, and the kit came with everything that we needed. So shout out to Active for sending everything out, but stay tuned. Sheesh. Alright, so they're trimming off more of the axle back part so they can clamp on the non-resonated section to the mid pipe. So that's what they're doing now, some final tweaks, but they're almost done.
You need the motors, not the regulator. Regulator for new, they're nice, I tried them.
This is Curtis, by the way. Got the non-resonated section on. They're just clamping everything down.
Yeah, I got it. And then of course next Friday I'm out of town. That's the one day they want to come out of town.
So here's the downpipe side.
I figured that's out of it. Alright, want to check that? Check it before we put the braces. If there's no leaks, make sure we want those pieces.
All right, they're all done. We're gonna check for leaks before they put the brace on. Let's go. First startup. I'm gonna make sure the valves are open for sure. Thank you, Curtis. My guy. Yeah, me too.
We'll leave it off the ground for now.
All right.
So I can get under there and listen. Ready when you are.
You mind throwing me the keys on the corner? Probably need that. Thank you so much.
Ready? Rev it.
Alright, taking over on my iPhone. My G7X just died as we were starting the car, but luckily Curtis has a sound clip on my phone, so I'll play that for you guys. But sheesh, it sounds insane. It sounds so good. Yo, it sounds so good. Can't wait to show you guys some more clips, but it sounds good. We checked for exhaust leaks and there's none. So they're putting on the middle, the brace clamp now. So should be wrapping up anytime soon now. That's right by us.
Yeah.
All done. Let's go. Alright, we're wrapping up. We're all done. Shout out to Curtis at WTF Motorsports and Francis for helping. Super happy. Sounds so good. I'll get you guys some more sound clips later. Still can't believe my fucking Canon G7X died the second I turned on the car, but luckily we got some iPhone footage for you guys. But we'll definitely get some more sound clips on the G7X a little later. But I'll catch up with you guys in the car. Also, what you guys saw was we were cutting up my stock exhaust because I wanted to take it home and either keep it in the garage or sell it. Not sure yet, but in order to fit it into the F8, Curtis had to cut it in half. So that's what we're doing now, and I'll load that up, and that's a wrap. Oh shit, Curtis is about to start the car. So press the ignition button once, and then press, sport, and then plus. Press the gas in with your foot, and then you should be good. Start it. Yep. Ready when you are. Sheesh. Copping that merch. Alright, we just left WTF Motorsports. Again, I'm recording on my phone, so sorry for any sound quality issues, but we're about to go let it rip, so you already know. Don't scrape. Oh, baby cracking pops, yo. This sounds so good. Got cracks and pops. Sheesh. Woo. Got baby burbles too. Alright, so I don't know how much you guys heard of that, but it sounds sick. And there's natural burbles now, and they're even louder than before. I mean, with the comp package, I already had burbles, but now they're amplified. They sound so loud, they sound so crisp, and the exhaust note itself sounds so good, so smooth. I'm hyped. If you guys can't tell, I'm pumped. But yeah, sorry that I'm recording on my iPhone right now, but that's the best we got. I'm so excited to get better sound clips for you guys outside the car. So I'll pick up this vlog when we get home, and I'll finish up on my Canon G7X. But I'm cruising right now. Woo! Wait! I'm cruising right now. But yeah, I'll finish up on my Canon, and then I'll close out this vlog. So I'll catch up with you guys then. All right, what's going on? We're back at the crib. I just pulled in, had to drop some things off, but I'm about to go for another cruise. Get you guys some more sound clips, of course, and probably piss off some of my neighbors, but that's how we do it. Let's go. Yo, it sounds so sick. Hope you guys can hear it. Yo, they weren't kidding with miles per gallon. My gas light just came on. Alright, so my gas light's on. Obviously, I'm having a blast with this, so I'm gonna go get gas real quick and find a strip of road that I can record some sound clips outside the car. So the burbles are crazy. Yo, I'm having too much fucking fun. Oh, for real. This is crazy. Oh, let's go home, let's go home. I'm done disturbing the peace for the day. Alright, we're on the way home now. I think I'm done hooning around for the day. I can't stop laughing, man. This shit is so fun. But yeah, I think I'm good for the day. I think it's time to wrap up this second half of the vlog. Stay tuned for next week's video. We'll probably do a sound comparison. I'll find all my clips of my stock exhaust, and then I'll compare them to the equal length mid pipe, you know what I mean? So stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss out. Thank you for tuning into this video. I definitely had a blast filming these two videos. So again, I'll wrap up the vlog when I get home into the garage real quick. So 1 second. First cold start with the new exhaust. Sorry to all my neighbors. Sorry, not sorry. Yo, that's loud. Yo, what's going on YouTube? Checking in with you guys from a few days later. I just wanted to come here and do an outro because I forgot to do one. I want to thank you guys for one, watching, and then two, I want to thank Curtis at WTF Motorsports for the install. If you guys are local to the Orlando area, definitely hit him up. He'll definitely take care of you. I'm so hyped about this mid pipe. It sounds so good in person. I'm definitely going to make more videos about it. Next week, I'm going to release a video that I made with my boy Jonathan and Kyler. We did a sound comparison between his resonated equal length mid pipe versus my non-resonated, so you don't want to miss that. They both sound fire. So again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video, comment down below what you guys think, and stay tuned for next week's video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on next week's video. Peace.